I'm Sindhuja.
I'm Meenal.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you certain questions, and based on your answers, I'll guess your career. So let's start with the first question. Is your career having some impact on the global issues?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Definitely.
No.
No. Not really. Maybe.
Okay.
No.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
No. I mean, I don't know. I guess not. No.
Is it related to numbers?
Minutely, yeah.
Sometimes not.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Numbers as in?
Numbers like any mathematical, yeah.
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 Okay. Does it include creativity?
Not strictly. No, not really. No.
Okay, design नहीं है तो creativity भी नहीं होगा.
You're wrong. Yes.
Yes.
It can, like a part of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
To an extent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Like sort of, not
Sort
much.
of. But you will get there. Go on. Creativity है, but designing नहीं है.
Do you think like AI can take over your careers anytime soon?
No.
No.
No, right? Nah. Okay. Nah.
Not at all. Not possible.
Okay.
Wait, I don't know about mine. Like 20% probably.
Okay, that was a strong no.
Theory part. But yeah, okay. Maybe.
Maybe.
No. It could.
It could.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, kind of.
Kind
The answer is kind of.
Kind of. Okay.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. Okay.
No.
Okay, why so?
I mean, it's very personal. Like, it needs a human being. It needs an individual.
Yeah.
Is your career being promoted by Modi ji?
No.
Okay.
No. I don't. I'm afraid not.
Hopefully.
I'm not sure. I don't think so.
Recently, they've started to. I have no hopes, but they should.
Are you Gujarati?
No.
Then he won't promote.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
No.
No.
Not for me.
Not for me either. I'm just joking.
Okay. Does it deals with certain financial instruments or any other associations?
Yes.
Okay. Is your field related to finance?
Yes.
No.
Does it deals with stocks?
A little.
A little.
That's a close approximation.
Yes. Are you into finance?
Yes.
I think go ahead. Just
E-
have a look at her outfits. Just a hint.
So does it deals with certain financial instruments or institutions?
Yes. No.
Are you into commerce background?
No.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Does it include digital element in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
AI.
A lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
I'm miserably failing right now. Digital marketing.
It's not anything like studying. Like, you can't study it. No, but it's creative. Then I'll give you a hint.
It's creative. Okay.
Very creative.
Okay.
Yeah. And it involves like physical activity.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
What do
Yeah.
you mean?
It is not.
I think
It's both, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, does designing element is there in a color or not?
yeah.
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 Yes.
Are you a digital marketer?
No.
So are you into social media? क्या ये करियर से आप करोड़पति बन सकते हो?
Yes.
Okay, it's a very interesting career, guys.
I can't reveal that. I can't reveal that because I don't have a single.
Quite ethical approach you have for this. Okay.
Like the basic, like base level. If this is the base level,
Okay.
it's here.
Okay, that's tremendously low.
Yeah.
I cannot divulge into that either. That's a good try.
Right now I'm not earning much because I just passed out in May. Around 5 lakhs.
If you've done your masters, then like 50-60k.
Yeah.
Zero. It's always in the negatives, okay?
I think it's 60k starting per month.
Per month.
Yeah.
Same answer.
नहीं, but बहुत chances हो भी सकते हैं if you
But
choose
you
the
have
right
to, yeah.
subfield.
Is it upper than 24 lakhs per year?
0.
Okay, are you CA?
No.
Are you fashion designers?
No.
Interior designers?
No. There's more in fashion, by the way.
Architecture?
No.
Yeah.
You're missing a main part.
Are you like a finance consultant?
Is that your answer?
No. Little
He
bit.
can't guess.
Acha, okay. Can you give me some hints?
No, I can't because then you'll get it very quickly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Does your career heal people mentally?
Yeah.
Does it deals with any psychometric tests?
No.
Does it help with people finding their career or where they are capable of?
No.
Are you a psychology student?
No! No!
Are you into certain dance styles or martial? Are you financial consultants?
No.
Are you fashion designer?
No. Nobody are close.
Okay, that's going very tough by the way.
It's not related to arts, commerce, or science.
Aliens related है क्या कुछ? Okay, are you a social media head? So, are you a designer?
Yeah.
You're a designer. Okay, I guessed it right. Oh my god.
But what? Okay, I'll give you one hint. It's related to management.
Logistics.
No.
Okay, so are you like into like a broker somewhere?
No.
Operations?
No.
Okay, yours. Financial consultant.
I wish.
Event head. Software designing.
क्या कर रहे हैं यार तू मजाक है क्या
So can you give me a nice hint, please?
I mean, all my answers were very like hinty already.
Event designer.
It's about style.
Style related to fashion, dressing people.
Fashion consultants. Yeah.
Fashion
Might be,
consultants,
but
fashion
more of
stylists.
Fashion styling, yeah.
Fashion styling. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting.
Digital marketing.
Not really. Not really.
But it is marketing, right?
Yeah.
हाँ तो मैं जीत गया मैं.
It's psychology.
Think of me as more of an independent guy, but
Okay.
also working with firms.
Okay. So I'm like a consultant.
Yeah.
Okay. You are. So I'm like a financial consultant, right?
Yes.
Are you psychology students? You are?
Yeah.
Okay, she is. Okay. That's a wild guess, guys. सोचा ही नहीं था मैंने. हो गया बस.
Okay, just guess our age.
18, 19.
7.
सोचा ही नहीं था मैंने. Got it. So are you commerce students? Okay.
Well, thanks, student. I'm a corporate lawyer, but you're close.
Okay. Are you into stocks?
Yes.
Guessed it right.
Never trade.
Digital marketing. Oh my god.
Control.
Fashion designer.
Okay, chal, I'll give it to you.
I'm a buyer.
Fashion bio. Oh my god.
Control, Uday.
Okay, I can give you one hint.
Yeah.
It's close to her.
Social media.
Yeah, sorry.
Social media intern.
Public relations. This is like the first time. Now this is like even I could have gotten.
Thank you so much for giving me this brownie point.
Can I just tell you?
Yeah, just tell
I'm a
me.
dance instructor.
Okay,
And
okay.
I'm also a lawyer.
Oh yeah. Correct. Yeah. Okay. Shit. Okay, I just tell me the answer now.
Culinary.
Culinary. सोचा ही नहीं था मैंने. So do you create content? How many followers does your page have?
330,000 something. I actually am a travel content creator, so it's me and my husband who have this page together. It's called 2 Tickets to Freedom, and you should definitely follow it. Everything here.
Okay, so is it interior designing? Okay.
On a bigger scale.
Architecture?
Yes.
Oh my god. Yes, that finally. क्या आप लोग depressed हो? So the only option for me would be suicide, right?
Listen, that's a little controversial now. I would like to stop this interview. Thank